New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2004 Ford SVT Cobra Coupe. This example is quite obviously a Mystichrome Cobra, as it wears the Mystichrome Clearcoat Exterior Paint over a dark charcoal and Mystichrome duotone interior. So yes, the seat inserts do generally match the exterior paint of this car. This is one of 515 Mystichrome Cobra Coupes produced, and this one has right around 10,000 miles on the odometer. Some tasteful modifications have been done to this one, including some aftermarket tires, as well as a JLT Splash Guards and a Magnaflow X-pipe and Catback exhaust with modified resonators. Underneath the hood, this vehicle features a few extra upgrades, such as a pulley kit, a retune, and some other minor upgrades, such as spark plugs and an upgraded belt. Overall, the paint, as you can see, is preserved in excellent condition, especially for showing the 10,000 miles that this example does have. Now, the seats may show a little more wear, but that is because the original seats were removed from the original owner of this car, so these are basically an extra set of front Mystichrome seats, so the original ones are included, as are the original exhaust system and original tires. And as a final note, this car is also accompanied by extensive documentation, service records, certificates of authenticity, its original books, and 2 keys. So as always, we'll get a startup clip and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.